We're here at the Hampton by Hilton London City, and I'm going to show you a little bit around the lobby area and the check-in area, as well as some of the breakfast, and then we'll head up to the room for a little room tour and a review. This is room 128, but I imagine most of the rooms are very similar. As you come in, it's a slightly off-square shaped room. As you come in to the left, next to the door, you've got a bin, a place for your luggage, ironing board, and place to hang your clothes. The main vent into the room is just there as well. And then to the right, you've got some coat hangers, and this is where the master switches are for the aircon, master switch for the room, and then individual lights. And then there's the back of the door. Then you've got the bathroom. So you've got another bin, a couple of towels and a sink, along with some hand soap and lotions and your shaver. Right, there's the toilet. Nice bit of artwork. And there's the shower. So more towels, a shower mat. Very loud squeaky door, place to hang your towels, and you've got a rain shower and a handheld as well. It's quite clean. As you come back out, you've got a big full-length mirror, a massive TV, and then to the left is a king-size bed. Beside the bed, you have sockets with USB switches and the telephone, as well as a reading light, multiple pillows of different sizes, and artwork above the bed, including a cycling monkey. And you've got over here, you've got your kettle with your tea and coffee, some more sockets, and some drawers. So you can put your stuff in here, hairdryer, dry cleaning, safe, fridge, keep things cool, iron and storage, and you've got the window. It's a slightly dark room, this room, no view to speak of. Then you've got a little seating area and a table, another reading lamp, and sockets beside the bed. And this is the Hampton by Hilton room. I think this will do for the night. So a little review of the Hampton by Hilton London City. Location is great as always. Lots of offices, lots of tourist attractions around here, and it's right on Brick Lane, so there's a load of restaurants really close to Shoreditch as well. Loads of food, loads of bars, Tower of London down the way, loads of things to do around here. So the location is really, really good. The hotel itself is a very big businessy hotel. Not a lot of tourists, I would think, would stay here, but you might. Perfectly fine for that. The bed, very, very comfortable. The room, just a great size. And the bathroom, the shower, the water was nice and hot. The pressure was good. The breakfast is a typical Hampton by Hilton breakfast, and that was fine. Absolutely fine. Very, very busy. And you can get your waffles, but it was absolutely fine. Obviously could be better. Bacon, better sausages, things like that. But it's free, it's included, and just a nice, simple Hampton by Hilton breakfast. The room cost £167 for one night, which is fairly, maybe on the slightly higher side of average, but fairly typical for the area. It was a Monday night, so not a peak night. And the Hampton by Hilton is somewhere I'd definitely stay again in London. It's just typical of Hampton by Hiltons. They're all kind of the same, and this one's no different, which is a good thing. You know what you're getting. So that was the review of the Hampton by Hilton. Thanks for watching. Keep making memories. I'll catch you later.